It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everyone. After a series of video that we have seen in the international news, today we are going to see one of the first national news in this particular channel, which is nothing but the Air India plane crash. And all over the world and even the Twitter, the most trending topic is the Air India plane crash, which has happened on Friday. Before getting into the topic, like we are going to discuss why this Air India traveled from Dubai to Kerala, and what are all the difficulties that they have faced while landing, and why it is actually failed. And it has been said that the fuel tank has been made empty by the pilot when they are landing, and why it has been done. Those are all the things that we are going to see in this particular video. And before getting into the video, please feel free to subscribe and hit on the follow button. Now we'll get into the topic. There are three things that you should know before getting into the details of this particular news. One is Vande Bharat mission. All over the world, we know that a lot of Indians have been settled, and due to the COVID situation, they had been locked up and they can't able to come back to India. And Vande Bharat missions came because of the reason of bringing back all the Indian citizens, those who are staying all over the world in different places. And this Vande Bharat mission has been started since May, and it is still going on. And this particular Air India flight, which we have said to be plane crashed, which came from Dubai to Kozhikode, which is nothing but Calicut. Other words, so Calicut International Airport is the seventh largest international airport in India. And second thing that you have to know is, all over the India, this is a monsoon season, and in Kerala, like you in last year also, we must have seen that there were a lot of flood was there in Kerala. And the way the buildings has been constructed in Kerala would be mostly on the mountain sides, so on the hill side or on the plateau side. And this particular plateau based building, another thing, is one of the biggest drawbacks, and which is causing a lot of landslides. And it has also been said that around 17 people has been dead, and 87 people has been injured apart from this plane crash because of the monsoon. And the cause of this is because of the landslide and other thing, 17 people has been dead. And the third thing that we are going to see is tabletop runway. Tabletop runway is nothing deals with any tables. So tabletop runway is nothing but a runway which is being designed, or the runway which is constructed on the top of a hill, or on the top of a mountain, or on the top of a plateau, something like that, is called as a tabletop runway. And this is one of the most beautiful runway. Maybe you can just take a look, like from a long perspective it may look beautiful, but it is very too dangerous. Like among all the runways that is present in the world, the tabletop runway is considered to be the one of the most dangerous runway, because if something like this happened, like a landslide or a monsoon or something like a skid, or your brake doesn't brake doesn't get working, or your land breaker is being failed, at that time there is multiple chances are there for you to fall down from the hill or from the plateau. This is what had happened in this particular case. So usually, even if the landing gear is failed, so what happens is, the landing gear fails, at that time what happens is, the runway would look in such a way, or the runway would be in such a way that there would be some lot of gaps, or it would be very difficult to drive in that particular runway, and it would be looking like this, which you have seen in the pic. But even with this, there was a huge monsoon was there, and the tabletop runway was there. All this made us a problem, as a huge problem, and this is why the plane crash had occurred. So what exactly had happened is, it is during 7:20 Friday evening. At that point of a time, the plane tries to, you know, land in Kozhikode airport. So at that point of a time, it is found that the monsoon was heavy, and the pilot is not having any visibility to get inside to land over the Kozhikode airport. And what he have done is, immediately, like, he failed to land the flight in the particular airport, and he had went around on another time, and then he tried to land it. So at the first time he failed, and it is also said that he had, you know, traveled around the airport for 3 to 4 times to make the fuel empty. The reason why he made a fuel empty is, for that you need to give the hats off, and the pilot is nothing but an IAF official, and he was servicing IAF for around 20 years. It is because, though the plane has been crashed, there was no fire has been present. That is because of this particular man, Deepak Sathe, and this man is having 20 years vast experience, and there was a lot of topic is going on with respect to this particular man itself, and we also would be having a separate video because of this dedication particular this man did. It is because of that lot of people who traveled in that particular plane is somewhat have been saved, we can say. There are around 180 people has been traveled in this particular flight, and out of which 17 were dead, including the pilot and the co-pilot. And some of the passengers have been having a serious injuries, and they are admitted into a hospital and rescued, and everything is being taken care. And these people, right, this rest of the other peoples has been saved, we can say, like, because there was no fire accident. Actually, the plane has been split into two when it has been landed, and these guys have been saved because there were no fire accidents. And as of to this man, he is dead, but he have saved a lot of lives. So he traveled, he took this flight and made the fuel empty by roaming inside that international airport itself. Three things that we need to learn is, we know that Kozhikode is one of the 7th international airport, largest airport in India. And these kind of, unsafe kind of airport shouldn't be there. That is one thing. Second thing is, person can able to contact the board members who is present in the airport, and they can say that, like, since he is not having a visibility, the plateau is there, hill is there, pilot obviously won't have any visibilities to land the flight, right? So once that is there, maybe he would have contacted with some other nearby airport like that. But the reason why they have it has been very clear that when pilot is emptying the fuel, there is something seriousness is there, right? He doesn't want the plane to get crashed. Though it is also crashed, the fire accident should not be there. So he had that particular thing in his mind, and then only he landed it. So when this is such much dangerous, like, why can't the other airport authorities would have contacted the pilots in the control room, and would have landed in some other airport is a big questions. And this is being investigated by the airport authorities, and still it is going to happen. So all the three reasons whichever I have discussed is the reason why this plane crash had happened. And we'll pray for all the dead souls, as well as, like, we'll also pray for all the other persons, those who are admitted in the hospital, to get rescued as soon